Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. It's me, Michelle, and this channel is all about fashion hauls, vlogs, travels, and much more. So, with this title of the video, you have guessed it right. I bought my first ever MacBook, and I'm so excited to show you. It arrived on the 17th of October, and today is 20th of October, so I kept a little wait till I unbox it for just the video. So it is right here, and this is how it looks. I got the one in Starlight, so it is somewhat like this. The MacBook is written right here, and it matches to my top as well, so why not? So this is my first ever MacBook. I did a whole lot of big purchase, so without wasting time, let's get into the video. So let's begin with the details and why I got the MacBook. So the first reason is storage. I couldn't really edit on my iPhone 14 Pro Max because it's almost, the storage is full. I don't know how many tons of videos and photos I have on my phone, so that was the reason I had to get a MacBook. And I was waiting to buy it for a long time, at least like 3-4 months earlier, but that didn't happen. But I didn't pay the full amount for this. I'm just paying it every month for this one, so it's kind of really expensive. I got this for almost £1,076, so it's really very expensive to get a MacBook. So finally I did that, and I got it for myself, and it's my first ever MacBook, my first ever laptop, I mean. So I'm really excited to use this. So I got this in a color Starlight, which is my favorite go-to beige color, as you know, and it is the MacBook Air 13. So there was a 15 as well, which was quite big, and I felt it like quite huge and broad as well. So I thought of going for a minimal regular size one, so that's why I went for Air 13. And I almost got this like 10 days ago, but they didn't have this color in stock, so I had to wait for almost a week or 10 days. So that's why I went for this color, something basic. Actually I wanted to go for a silver one, but thought of going for the Starlight color. And this Air 13 is the latest version of 2024, so that's why I went for this one. Actually, I honestly don't know the difference between MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, so I just randomly, let's pick someone, so I just went for this. And yeah, so hopefully I do a lot of videos now. So I had a lot of problem with editing on my phone because I couldn't edit and upload it on my channel, so with that it was taking almost like a month or 2 months. So that's why I felt like I should go for something that would help me put a lot of videos and edit in peace. So that's why I went for a MacBook, and I wasn't supposed to like really buy it this year because it was kind of expensive for me, so that's fine, I went for it. And here is my laptop. I'm so excited to show you. I honestly removed the cover because I couldn't wait any longer. I just kept this box right here, and yes, so this is my first ever MacBook. So this is how it looks, and now I'm gonna unbox this. So my pretty laptop. So this is a 256GB, and here are the details. And it is a 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M3 chip. So now I'm going to rip this off. And the moment of truth, here is my laptop. It is so pretty. Wow, I love the color a lot. This is how you do it. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's quite heavy and it's not that thin, but it's perfect. You see this? And here are the papers designed in Apple in California. So here is the MacBook Air. These are all the papers, and here is the Apple sticker. I never have used this at all. So this is my fourth one that I'm having. So let's just put this in. I feel like I'll do this later. And now we have the adapter. So here it is. I don't really want to remove the cover of this one because I feel like it will fill full of dust. So here it is. These are what Apple gives us, and this is the cable for it. Gosh, this is the cable. So that's what we have from this box. So now let's unbox this one. I totally love the color. It's a mixture of silver and gold, so I'm really happy I got this one, and it's really amazing. So now let's start. So I'm keeping it right here, and I totally love the color so much. So let's open it now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I kept it ulta. Hello, here it is. Wow, I'm so excited. So it's in all the different countries. It says hello, hola, bonjour, oui oui. Oh, all thanks to God for giving me this beautiful MacBook. Wow, I'm so really excited. When will it stop, guys? Oh my gosh. I guess this is the fingerprint that we do it like this.
Use British English as the main language, press the return key.
So now let's continue with English. Oh my gosh. think the connection is really slow. Let's choose
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
So it took me a quite long time to get this setting done because I couldn't remember my password at all. I always try to forget my password, so it was a long process to get the information sorted. So let's begin. And here I am setting up the account. So here is my MacBook. And my MacBook setting is all done, and I'm just trying to figure out some new things. I have to learn a lot of things, so I'm just trying to figure out where's the camera.
Where is the camera?
Honestly, I found it, but I'm just getting nervous, so here it is. And with this, I come with the end of the vlog. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hope you liked my unboxing. I made a really good purchase and so grateful. And please do like and subscribe to my channel, and please do give me 1,000 subscribers at least. So see you in my next one with some amazing videos. See you then. Bye.